Adding a vector tile service. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add a vector tile service. When we click on the Add Vector Tile button from the Add Map Service menu in the left menu, the layer name, URL address, minimum and maximum zoom level, source layer name information is filled in, and the Save button is clicked on the Add Service page in the panel that comes, the vector tile service is added to the map as a layer. The vector tile layers we have added are also saved and listed in the History menu. Layers that have been added in the past can be deleted or reloaded to the map as a layer by activating the button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.